All right, we are today planting some Brussels sprouts, beans. You can do this for mostly anything that has seeds that you need to do. So I've taken my rebar and I've made my posts 3 feet apart, did string line all the way down to the bottom of the garden and back just to kind of keep me straight. So what I did at first was use my wedge toe and I just kind of worked up the ground where things are going to be planted so that it just kind of was softer, and then got rid of any tiny little sprouting of the weeds that I don't want. And then I took my hoe here and then I just kind of smoothed it out. And then what I did was use the end of any you could use any of your tools here, and then I just used that to poke the hole however far down that you needed to go, an inch, 2 inch, whatever it is that they say. And then I just, this way you don't have to bend over. I drop the seeds over, or you could have any helpers, little helpers, drop the seeds in and then just lightly cover stuff up. So, and then I'm also using my old, here is my old tags, or my old canning lids that have been used. And I just use those great for marking things out here with a permanent marker. So easy way to go ahead and get the holes set up, and then again you can have a little helper plant the holes for you, or plant the seeds for you, and then you're on your way.